Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you're not new. My name is Lydia and today I'm going to start a little pantry challenge. Today is July 23rd, actually starting tomorrow, but I pulled a few things out of the freezer. So my niece got married and we had family out of town, which was amazing, so much fun, but we just have a lot of food to go through in our freezers, in our pantries, kind of like little things here and there. So I'm going to do a pantry challenge this week, see what we are going to use up, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let me turn you guys around and show you what we are pulling out of the freezer just to cook up for tomorrow and just to kind of have in the fridge. So I went in one of my freezers. This chicken has seen better days. I'm gonna make that in the crock pot tomorrow with some potatoes and some sauce. And then I found these two seasoned wings. I took those out and then I saw that I have more wings. There's 6 of us, my kids love wings, so somebody will eat it probably for lunch. I found some grilling links, which are delicious. I'm gonna do those in the air fryer. I found some Canadian bacon, which I'm just going to thaw out and have in the fridge. Same thing with the turkey pepperoni. This is gonna be thawed out and put in the fridge. So this is what I'm thawing out Thursday so that we can start this pantry challenge tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning and we are starting this Friday of July 24th out with the pantry challenge. Just like I said, I have the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I washed, I seasoned it, salt, pepper, paprika, put it in the crock pot. I'm gonna put these potatoes on top. I had this bag of, like, they're supposed to be little potatoes, but they're quite big, so I'm only using half, and then I'm gonna dump in this. Okay guys, so it is noon. The crock pot food is done. I put a little cornstarch to thicken this up, but there's a lot of really delicious gravy, so I made a pot of rice. Somebody will eat it with rice, and if not, my kids love to have rice in the fridge and they do their own thing with it. The sausages, this is the only thing that's left over. I put it in the air fryer, and then I went in my room to put laundry or something away, and there was one left over. So those were a hit. These are the wings. I seasoned everything. 2 packs were already pre-seasoned, so I just had to season 2 packs. And these are just gonna go in our fridge for now. And then if somebody wants to just throw them in the air fryer tonight, they can. If not, they'll be eaten by tomorrow for sure. All right, you guys, so it is Saturday morning. I didn't thaw anything out, which I should have, but it's okay. Everyone's sleeping, I'm awake. I have these quiches that are from Costco. I have 2 of them, but not everyone is gonna eat those, so I'm gonna thaw this out and then I'm gonna cook one of those. I got some bacon that I'm gonna do in the air fryer just to have throughout the week. And then I found some turkey pieces. I am going to try to defrost this in the microwave a little bit, wash it, season it, and put it in the crock pot, and somebody will eat on that. Okay, so I defrosted the turkey partially in the microwave, then I ran it under cold water and I washed it off. I put salt, pepper, some minced onion, and then I am trying to finish this poultry seasoning up. So seasoning wise, it's very simple. I'm gonna have this on high. I put it for 6 hours. I don't think it's gonna take that long, but we do have like some thick pieces in there. We also have the neck, and this is gonna be so good. So when I make this, everyone kind of just grabs meat out of the crock pot, and then they'll either eat it with bread, or some people eat it with pickles or diced up tomato, whatever they want. I know it sounds kind of like a snack, but it's not. I promise you, it's like a meal. But that's what we're doing. Okay guys, so here's the turkey. It's literally falling apart. I took it out of the crock pot and I'm gonna put it under the broiler just to get it a little crispy. We're almost done cooking up all the bacon. Our quiche came out of the oven. Let me show you that. All right, so this is what the turkey looks like. It's, like I said, it's falling off the bone. Here's the quiche. Here's the bacon. There was more. People have been eating it, but that's okay. And this is just gonna go in the fridge, the bacon, whatever is left over, and yeah, people can just eat on it. Okay, you guys, so it is dinner time, still Saturday. I am making the chicken wings in the air fryer, and then I'm gonna do 2 of these chicken rice north sides. I just have some butter and water coming to a boil, and that's gonna be dinner. We still have a little bit of turkey left over, but my husband is fishing with the little ones, and when he comes back, they can have warm chicken wings. They love it. And then afterwards, we're gonna be going in our pool and hanging out in our backyard. So that's gonna be just a simple very relaxed Saturday. Okay guys, here's the first batch of wings. Some of them are like cut in half, some were not. But it's just rice and wings. And I think Noah said he's gonna put a little bit of ranch. This is Noah's plate. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Smells fantastic. They're gonna go ahead and hurry up and eat, and then we're gonna spend the rest of the night in the pool, and we will see you guys. All right, guys, so for tomorrow, after church, for Sunday, we're gonna barbecue, and my husband took out some pork chops. We still have some wings left over from tonight, but we're also gonna barbecue this, and then just put barbecue sauce on top. We won't be able to eat both of these tomorrow, but we will have for leftovers throughout the week, and then people eat them for lunch, take them to work. So that's what's gonna happen. We're just gonna be grilling. All right, you guys, so it is Sunday morning, and I just washed the pork chops. There's a lot of them. Maybe one pack would have been enough, but I mean, we're gonna have leftovers, and that's fine. I washed them, I seasoned them with some salt, and then I also used this brazen pig barbecue blend, which is really good. I'm not sure if I got this Walmart online or on Amazon, but it's really good. So this is just gonna hang out and marinate till we are ready to barbecue later on. All right, so there's 6 of us, but my 2 older kids are not gonna be home for lunch. They're doing their own thing after church. So my daughter's going to her fiance's mother's house, and then my son is going to I don't know, something with a rodeo theme, or to the rodeo or something. So he'll be eating there. So it's going to be just me and my husband and the little ones. So 5 potatoes are more than enough. I washed them. I put a little bit of avocado oil, salt, pepper, and then I hit it with a little bit of the same seasoning, just keeping a theme. Put a little bit of water down there. I'm going to put the lid on, and it's going to do its thing. And the best baked potatoes are going to be done when we are ready to eat. So 2 weeks ago, yesterday was 2 weeks, my niece Brianna got married, and they went for 12 days in Hawaii for their honeymoon, and they just got back, and they brought us some goodies. So let me show you. Island Princess chocolates, Maui caramels, or yeah, and then the Hawaii Hosts. Super, super nice. Love chocolates, who doesn't? But then it's so funny because I always have a fan in my purse because I'm always hot, especially in church. And so her and her fiance Emmanuel, well, oh my gosh, I keep saying fiance, her husband Emmanuel, saw this. Look how beautiful that is. And they're like, we want to see you use that in church. We thought of you. So this is like my favorite thing. Absolutely love it. But super excited for them to start their life together. They are a wonderful, wonderful couple, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, so let me show you guys our spread. I did have this avocado ranch chopped salad kit, so I made that. There's like 2 pieces of jalapenos. My husband will probably eat those. There's our baked potato. One is missing because Noah's already assembling it. We have butter, sour cream, cheese. I pulled out this nacho, like dairy-free cheese for me. I'll use a little bit and then pop it back in the freezer. I also made a pot of rice. We will be finishing up, or maybe not, but I think so, this barbecue sauce on our pork chops. My husband is just outside grilling them, but this is our spread for Sunday. So he was able to put all the pork chops on the barbecue on one time. So that means we will have them be ready, hopefully around the same time. And yeah, I'll show you guys when I assemble my plate. So here's the pork chops with barbecue sauce. We were able to finish up that bottle of open barbecue sauce from the fridge. The jalapenos are gone, and this smells fantastic. We're gonna have pork chops for days, and I'm not mad about it at all. Okay, so this is my kids' plate. You guys, the pork chops are so juicy and so tender. They're not overdone. I don't know if you can tell, but they're super juicy. This is a delicious, delicious meal. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So we are in the pool, and we are just having leftovers today. And then I think Lucas thawed out some chicken wings. He's making hot honey chicken wings. I'll show you guys, but this is what's going on, and we are just enjoying the hot honey wings. We got served poolside. So that's what's going on for food-wise, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. It is Tuesday, and today is fun for yourself. Eat up all the leftovers. My kids have been having cereal. They pulled out frozen burritos. We have frozen chicken pot pies, like individual ones, just different things. I got super, super sunburned. I was in the pool for about 6 hours yesterday. Don't feel like cooking. Don't feel like doing much of anything. So literally fend for yourself. eat up everything that needs to be eaten up. Okay, y'all, so for today is Wednesday. I'm feeling a lot better. I did a Kroger haul. That should have been up by now. I took out these shrimp, thawing out, and then I need to peel them, wash them, and I'm thinking pasta shrimp alfredo. What do you guys think? And I have garlic bread that I just grabbed on markdown today, so that's the plan. Okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to make dinner. I have my shrimp thawing out in some water. I'm gonna do some alfredo sauce with some spaghetti because I don't have fettuccine, or at least I can't find it. I have garlic. I also have this spinach, this huge box of spinach. I'm gonna make cream spinach because I have this and I have this that I want to use up, and I'm gonna add some dehydrated onions. I'm just gonna hydrate and put it with the cream spinach. So just a very simple dinner, but just using things up. That's going out of our pantry, fridge, pantry, and then things from our freezer. Okay, so I peeled the shrimp, salt, peppered, a little bit of avocado oil. I'm gonna use some butter. I'm also gonna use lemon, and I have garlic, and I have to see if I have fresh parsley. If not, I'm going to use dry parsley. And our pasta is boiling nicely. I used about a pound and a half of pasta. I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of lemon juice. And then I did have fresh parsley, and this is just gonna brighten everything up with the lemon juice. And it's gonna be so delicious. And I'm actually gonna turn off the heat. This took no time at all. Shrimp, salt, pepper, butter, avocado oil, parsley, and lemon juice. That's it. Okay, you guys, we are eating family style tonight. We have the garlic bread, the alfredo, the shrimp, and the cream spinach. This is so good. I don't know why I don't make it enough because this is so good. Oh, you know what I'm gonna add on my plate? Red chili flakes. Yes, that's gonna be delicious. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it is Thursday morning. I say morning, but it's like closer to noon, and I'm gonna have brunch. Those croissants that I got from Kroger, an egg, tomatoes, and coffee. So super excited. I don't know what I'm making today. I'm taking out ground beef. It's either enchiladas, like loaded enchiladas, the way I make them with everything inside, or it's gonna be chili. One or the other. I wish I would have started earlier. I wish I thawed out my meat, but I'm going to get 2 pounds of ground beef out of the freezer. Okay, so this is what I pulled out of the freezer. This came in a three pounds in 3 different bags. I cut one off because I only need 2 pounds ground beef. And then I found some turkey that needs to be used up. This will go in the crock pot, and then my husband can take it to work tomorrow, or whoever wants to eat on it. So these are gonna go in my kitchen sink and just thaw out. And then whenever they are thawed out, I am going to get to cooking. Okay, so for lunch, we took out some hamburger buns from the freezer. We actually used them all up. And then in the air fryer, we just did chicken patties. We have a huge bag from Costco, ketchup, mustard. I used up little ketchup packets and little mustard packets. So those are out of the fridge, some onion and tomato. Super simple. Okay, so I have the turkey pieces in here, salt, pepper, paprika, simple. Oh, and poultry seasoning, very simple. I'm gonna put this on high, and then I'm putting the ground beef in the fridge because we're not cooking anything else today. Between eating the brunch, which was later, and then the chicken sandwiches and stuff, we're not hungry. Dinner is just gonna be more like just grazing and eating whatever we find, probably a ramen or something. So that's it for today. It's Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. And today is the day I'm making loaded enchiladas. I call them loaded enchiladas because I like to add corn, beans, and then cilantro lime rice into the enchilada with the meat, and then wrap it up. So burrito, you can call it burrito, whatever. We just call them loaded enchiladas. I have tortillas, 2 different kinds that I can use. I took some cheddar cheese out of the freezer, our meat. We're gonna do this cilantro lime rice, which is super easy. And then these are my last 2 cans of enchilada sauce that I could find, some black beans and some corn. So let's assemble everything, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll pop it in. So here's the meat. I sauteed it with a little bit of onion, some taco seasoning, and then I did put a little bit of the enchilada sauce in there. Here's my cilantro lime rice. We have rice, salt. I sauteed it with a little bit of butter, a whole lime juice, and fresh cilantro, and then I put in the rice cooker. I drained and rinsed and drained, whatever, the beans and the corn, and I hit them with a little bit of salt. So all of these three things are going to be combined and make the filling, and I will add some cheese inside as well. But I'm just letting the rice and the meat cool. I'm actually gonna put this in a different bowl so that a stainless steel bowl, so it can cool down a little bit faster. So here's my filling. I have some extra rice over there, but I have my enchilada sauce on the bottom of my pan. I have my tortillas. I'm just gonna start stuffing. If we have extra filling, that's fine. My kids eat it just as is. It's so delicious, you guys, absolutely delicious. Okay, so this is what I have. I put 2 of the little tortillas on the end of the pan. I'm gonna hit it with some of the enchilada sauce and some cheese. I still have a lot of filling left, which I know I would. I'm gonna make another pan, and then one of my kids already took a bowl to eat for breakfast because it's 8:48 in the morning, and our house smells fantastic. Here we go, you guys. I got 3 pans. These are all the little tortillas. Some of them kind of cracked. I did heat them up in the microwave just to keep them more pliable, but that's okay. Used up a bunch. Didn't finish all of them, but used up a bunch. Used 2 cheddar cheese bags from my freezer. One was real cheddar, one was like the dairy free. So I'm gonna cover these up with tin foil and pop them in my oven at 400. Just everything is already pre-cooked. I just want that cheese to get ooey gooey, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna take them. I'm just gonna keep them with tin foil in the oven, and people can just come and get some of that rice that's left over, and it'll be okay, guys. So here is my husband's plate. I'm gonna warm this up. I'm gonna put some pickled jalapenos and sour cream, but this is the gist of it. It is almost 3, and 1.5, close to 2 pans are already eaten. So there's that. They were a hit. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. It's free. And I will see you guys next week.